How to change best friends emojis on Snapchat. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So changing best friends emojis on Snapchat is a very simple task. Basically it is changing the stick emojis. All you have to do is tap on your best friend user, tap on their profile, and then you will see an option of emoji as well. First you will have to pin them, and after you pin them, but remember this is a Snapchat Plus feature, then you will get a special friend emoji if they pin you back, and you can change the emoji also. So yeah, that's it. Since I do not have Snapchat Plus, I cannot show you, but if you do, you can easily do that. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.